this recording, we'll discuss protein breakdown. So, proteins, we can catabolize them, we can break them down, and these can be proteins that are either coming from our diet or proteins that are already within our bodies, for example, proteins in the cytosol of our cells. Now, our dietary proteins, so the ones that we consume in the foods that we eat, we can break those down into the amino acid subunits, so those monomers. Okay, we can do that in the digestive tract. Okay, so we talked a lot about trypsin, chymotrypsin, pepsin, helping us break down proteins as they move through the digestive system. Eventually, they will be absorbed into the bloodstream in the small intestine. We'll send them through the hepatic portal vein to the liver, to the hepatocytes. Okay. Now, the amino acids, the composition of an amino acid, you have two main parts to an amino acid. You have a carbon skeleton, and you have an amino group. Okay, that amino group is nitrogen containing. All right, so we got a little bit of nitrogen, we got a little bit of carbon. We can do different things with those parts. Nitrogen is not really used for energy, and so we take it off, we get rid of it. We call it deamination. Okay, so D, we're going to remove amination, amino group. Okay, we're going to get rid of the amino group, chop that nitrogen group off. Okay, when we do this, we can then take the amino group, we can turn it into urea and additional keto acids. Okay, the urea, we just get rid of that in the kidneys, we PP it out in the urea cycle. Okay, we get rid of the urea in the urine, and that's no big deal. Keto acids, we can actually convert those to acetyl-CoA. Also, just like we did when we broke down lipids, okay, the fatty acids, we now know that the acetyl-CoA can be used in the Krebs cycle, and then we move on to the electron transport chain. We can get a lot of ATP that way. Or we can take those keto acids and we can convert those to glucose via gluconeogenesis. That glucose can then also run through cellular respiration, and we can get a bunch of ATP that way. This is kind of what it looks like. Here's the amino group that we don't need. Okay, so we chop that off, get rid of it. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. We chopped it off, we turn it into urea, eliminated in the urine. Okay, everything else though, we're gonna go Here's our mitochondria, where we do good old ATP. We'll cellular respiration so we can get ATPs, all kinds of good stuff. Don't spend too much time trying to memorize alpha-ketoglutarate, glutamate, anything like that. Again, here, we're just going for the big picture, okay? This is a nice summary slide to remind you of the different ways that we can break down lipids, carbs, and proteins, what we can do with them, the beta oxidation. Notice the arrows going in particular ways. Okay, different steps, lots of acetyl-CoA production, citric acid cycle, electron transport chain, lots and lots and lots of ATPs being made. All right, vitamins. We briefly mentioned vitamins when we talked about the large and the small intestines. We do not make most of the vitamins that are required for a healthy lifestyle. We do make some B vitamins, we make vitamin D, we do make vitamin K. Okay, but the rest we have to consume. B and K are made by the bacteria in the large intestine. Vitamin D is made by the skin and the kidneys if we expose ourselves to sun. We have talked about both fat-soluble and water-soluble categories. A, D, E, and K are fat solubles. A, D, and E can be stored in the liver. Okay. Water solubles are the different types of B vitamins, and you can see we have quite a few, and then little old vitamin C. You can overdo it on vitamins, or you can underdo it on vitamins. Hypervitaminosis, you can accumulate too many fat-soluble vitamins. Remember, we just said we store these in the liver. You can over-accumulate these, and that can cause problems. But you can also underdo it. Most likely, you would suffer from a deficiency of a water-soluble vitamin, so a B vitamin or a C vitamin, because a lot of these aren't really stored in high qualities or quantities, not qualities. We store a little bit of vitamin B, we store a little bit of vitamin C, but some of these other B vitamins, we don't really store those at all. So if you're not, if you don't really have a healthy, well-balanced diet, and or if you're not taking vitamin supplements, you could have some sort of vitamin deficiency. Now, we do regulate our feeding. We don't just eat all day, every day. And as fun as that sounds, we know that that's not really healthy for us. Long-term regulation is hormonally controlled. Like pretty much any long-term regulation in our body. We have two main hormones. We have leptin and we have ghrelin. Leptin is responsible for stimulating our satiety centers. These are produced by adipocytes themselves. So satiety basically means fullness. Okay, these inhibit the neurons in the hunger center. So basically, if you are secreting leptin, basically tells your body that you're full. Okay. If you drop your levels of leptin, this allows your hunger center to become activated again, and that's one of the ways that we know we are hungry. Ghrelin is another hormone that helps us realize that we're hungry. I always say ghrelin makes your belly growl. It's produced by your stomach mucosal cells to stimulate your hunger center to promote hunger as well. So again, ghrelin makes your belly growl. Leptin tells you when your belly's full.